Hi, I'm Les Saland, and I'm president of Saland Insurance Solutions. And today we're going to talk about short-term disability and insurance frequently asked questions. As you can imagine, there's a whole bunch of frequently asked questions about these two items. I'm going to work with the short-term disability frequently asked questions that I get. Some of those questions I get is, how much will I get paid? For how long? When will I begin to get paid? And what if I can still work at another job? Well, all very good questions and all very important questions. How much you get paid is going to be determined by the policy. A lot of times it's 50 to 60 or even 70% of your gross pay at your current job. Sometimes it's a flat dollar amount. Let's say if you're earning $2,000 a month, you might get $1,200 a month. So it still works out to be somewhere between 50 and 70%. How long you get paid is also determined by the policy. Typically, short-term disability is going to be 3 months or 6 months, or there will be benefits, plans that will cover you for up to 2 years. When to begin is based on the elimination period as stated in the policy. And an elimination period is just a waiting period. How long will you have to be out of work before it begins? Generally, 7 days if you're sick, 7 days if you're hurt. The first week that you're out of work, you won't get paid anything at all. A lot of times you have some sick time or vacation time that you can use instead. And what if you're still working? Well, if you're still working, depends on the type of job that you have and the type of policy. There's two types of policies that are out there. One has the definition of any occupation, and one has the definition of your occupation. If it's any occupation, it's basically going to say if you can still work doing anything, then you're not disabled and the policy is not going to pay you anything. However, if you have an own occupation, that means that if you can work answering phones and you're typically a driver, let's say a truck driver or a route driver or something like that, even though you're working, answering phones, you're not doing your job, your own job. So therefore, you will get paid as long as what you're getting paid at your current answering phones is not substantial enough as what you were getting paid at your regular job. Those are 4 generally asked questions I get about short-term disability and health insurance. I always recommend working with a trusted, licensed insurance professional to determine what the best plan is for your budget and your needs. I am Les Saland, president of Saland Insurance Solutions, where we are doing the right thing because it is the right thing to do.